Good afternoon to all of our followers and subscribers worldwide. I'm Tim Lazinski with Midwest Car Exchange. Today I'm bringing you an absolutely beautiful 1969 Chevy Camaro RS. This is in blue with white stripes, with a nice houndstooth interior, 350 engine in it. I'm going to give you kind of some of the basics. We're going to take it for a lap, and then I'll give you guys a nice walk around video to kind of piece it all together. I'm going to start off with the interior in the car. The nice thing about the car's interior is it's aesthetically completely stock looking. It's got the full gauge package, center console, houndstooth seats in it, RS steering wheel. The gauges, everything is in nice condition, no cracks in this dashboard. Door panels, there's no cracks. Carpet set's really nice. Headliner is absolutely beautiful. I mean, there's no wear. Same with the visors up here. So the interior, I would say, is 9.9 out of 10. There's not really a bad aspect to it. Everything has been restored on the interior, so I've got nothing bad to say about it. We'll go to the driveline next. Nice thing about this car is, from the outside, it looks completely stock. Underneath the hood, you have all nice new modern amenities. So it's going to be a crate 350 engine. Done a couple of little modifications for performance aspect. I know the headers, the carburetor is going to be different on it. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's Edelbrock, if I'm not mistaken. But it's HEI Ignition on it, so electronic ignition. It's got the headers on it. It's got vintage air conditioning, so it's more of a modern air conditioning that they put in the car with the 134 conversion on it. Power steering, four-wheel disc brakes in the car. So like I said, you do really get the driving experience of a newer car, but with the older styling to it. So all the way around, absolutely beautiful car. Paint and bodywork on the car is beautiful. Everything gaps out nicely, lays down smoothly. There's no edges to the paint. I'm not seeing rippling, fisheye, anything of that nature. So it's a really nicely done paint job. All newer suspension, brakes, like I said. So yeah, let's go for a quick lap. I'll kind of give you a feel as to what I'm seeing on the car and the likes and dislikes on the car. So start it up right away. It's nice. The engine's not overly loud. You're not getting that crazy header exhaust sound to it, but you get a little bit extra rumble to it, so that's a nice feature. Shifts smoothly. All the gauges I'm looking at on the center console here, the 4-gauge package, everything seems to be working on it. Good battery, temps gauge is working. At idle, we're sitting about 45 pounds of oil pressure. Obviously, when I get on the gas a little bit, I'm seeing it jump to 60, 65, so definitely good oil pressure. But like I said, crate engine, fresh build on it. Power steering works very nicely. Single finger, I can turn it. Brakes as well, the 4-wheel disc brakes, that's where it's at. Get on a little bit. Definitely wants to put you back in your seat. And we'll get to the brakes a little bit. I'm going to let go of the wheel. Look at that, didn't even move, not even an inch. So braking down the road nice and straight, driving nice and straight. Tilt wheel as well. Plenty of power, shifted smoothly right there. The turn signal indicator on the dashboard was working for the left, or for the right, and it's working for the left as well. So nothing bad to say there.
But it's not clear how many of them.
AM radio.
Eli Lilly says.
Working great. I did check the headlights too as well, because on these RS, those vacuum pods are notorious for kind of giving out on these the RS doors to open up. Headlights are working perfectly, so no issues there. And also, it's got a nice feature, which is the LED tail lights. So they look completely stock, but anyone that is into classic cars knows that light bulbs are kind of the devil. So got rid of those, put the nice LEDs in there, nice reliability. Should last for, God, the life of the car. So, so far, I haven't seen a negative aspect on the car. Like I said, runs out nice, looks great. A lot of nice new modern amenities to it. So let's go ahead, we'll do our walk around video on the car next, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks.